So, it's engine in day. Engine in.
Oh, how
exciting.
It's going in ahead of schedule.
It is.
You can't wait.
No, I can't wait because we've ordered some shocks for it, haven't we, for the car. And we thought we'll do the shocks as we've got easy access. But once the engine's in, we haven't got the side on the engine yet, so I'll be building. I basically can't wait, and there'll be plenty of room for me to do the shocks. It's only one bolt, isn't it? So anyway, engine's going in.
You should wait.
This is Mickey, the Merc's original engine, which we've stripped and we've cling filmed the top because the rocker cover gasket
we did say we were going to sit and have a cup of coffee and look at the new one.
Yeah, we did, but we're not because it's going in. So this one's getting detached. As you can see, this is now loose. This one's getting detached from the crane, and then what we're going to do is we're going to obviously attach it to our other engine, which is on the stand, and then we're going to crane it off the stand and put it in the car. So that's going to be quite an exciting day for me. In fact, this could be one of the most exciting days of my life. I think I've come to the conclusion this could be one of the most exciting days of my life. Taking it out was the most exciting, and I think putting it back in is going to top it. So engine is playing hard to get at the moment. He's not mounting in that easy, so we've decided to, as the engine is sitting at a bit of an angle, so it's not matching the gearbox angle, we thought we'd put this is almost our last try of plans in our heads. It's the last thing we can think of, is put the engine mount on, try and drop it onto that mount, lowering the engine a bit so it levels, and then try and wiggle the gearbox into place. So we'll see how it goes.
Is this now?
Yeah, mount is on. So in theory, he should come over. Just got to go back.
Ready?
Yep. Yes!
Yoo-hoo!
Let's get the celebratory hug. Nice one.
Well done, buddy.
Finally, it's in. It's finally in.
Oh, me backwards and me up the dirt pipe with a what's it? Major Bruce.
So, it's now sitting on our red powder coated mounts.
Do I drop it?
Yeah, you've got to. Drop the beast. Badge, drop the beast.
Drop my cards.
Don't do that. Oh, the whole car just, I saw the lift flex. That's it.
Yoo-hoo! Don't leave me hanging, sir.
No. Right, let's get these off so I don't scratch my powder coating. So, day's graft. Engine is in, sitting on our lovely red powder coated brackets, may I say. We're going to have an afternoon cuppa, and that is the end. That is the end of today's video.
Because we've had quite enough.
We've had quite enough. I'm knackered. A lot of lot of pushing, a lot of bolting, a lot of everything. So we will catch you in the next one.
Cheery bye.